An ice storm warning for the following county: Greene, Ohio. Ice storm warning in effect until noon today. Significant icing continuing. Accumulations of up to 0.3 of an inch. Plan on slippery road conditions. The morning commute. An ice storm warning means significant amounts of ice accumulation will make travel dangerous or impossible. Travel is strongly discouraged. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Snap power lines and falling tree branches are also possible. Here is a winter weather advisory.
Well guys, guess what? Once it focuses. This is what's going to happen later tonight. So guys, my radio just went off, and neither did before 120. So guys, right now I'm using my new phone. Not the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. So I will still be using the Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime. Not this phone unless I don't have it in my phone. Actually, I don't have it in my pocket or whatever, guys. So I don't know, guys. And also, guys, this phone can auto adjust. Actually, I can manually adjust on the exposure, as you can see, guys. So, but yeah, guys. Alright, guys. Hope you enjoy my series. Goodbye. With